Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear student. I am Priya Suyat here. Today we are going to explore more functions in MS Excel. Previously we have studied about the functions of sum and average, and today we are going to learn more functions like maximum function, minimum function, count function and if function. So let's start and see what the maximum function is. Maximum function basically gives you the largest or highest value in the selected range of cell. Okay, maximum means the screen value, the highest value in the given set of data. Okay, so the formula for maximum value is equal to max, and then you have to give the cell range. Remember once again that you have to type is equal to sign before using any kind of formula or function in MS Excel. So now I am going to go into the Excel sheet, and where I will show you the example of maximum function that how we can use in Excel sheet. So let's go there. Okay, so here we are in Excel sheet. I am going to give you some data. Okay, give you the value like 20, 30, 20, okay, I make it 60, 30, 40. Okay, so for applying maximum value, what I have to do is to first of all type is equal to sign from your keyboard. Okay. So here we have enter is equal to sign and your formula bar has been activated, and here we are having different functions. Click on it and select the maximum function. Okay, so here it is giving you the range that either you are going to find out the maximum value from A1 to A4. Is it so? Yes. I have to find out the maximum value or the largest value or the highest value between these values. Okay, so just simply press OK. So it gives you the maximum value, that is 60. I have entered 20, 60, 30 and 40, and see in this set of range of data I have the maximum of the largest value is 60. Okay, so this is how we calculate the maximum value. Now go back and we will see another function, that is of minimum function. Okay, so what is minimum function is? Minimum function basically gives you the smallest value in the selected range of cell. Okay, and the formula for minimum value is same. Again, you have to type equal to sign min, and then you have to give the cell range. Okay, so once again go back to the Excel sheet. Okay, so we are here again and we have to find out the minimum value from this set of data. So what I will do, simply enter is equal to sign from your keyboard and then go to the function bar and then select the minimum function. So it will provide you the minimum or smallest value from this set of data. Click OK and you will have a 20 is the smallest value between these cells. Okay, so this is how we calculate minimum function. Now let's move on. Another function we are having is count function. Count function basically gives you the number of cells that contains numeric data in the selected range of cells. Okay, it tells you that how many entries you have made in the specified or selected range of cells. Again, the formula for count is equal to count A1 to A4. So now let's move again back to your Excel sheet and we will see that how we can apply this formula over there. Okay, so for calculating count, again press is equal to sign, go there, select count, and it will give you the counted value that how many entries you have made in this specified range of cells is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. If you use the count function, it provides you that how many entries you have made in the cells. Okay, so let's move back to our sites. Now the last function which we are going to do is the if function. If function basically compares the value and then gives you the answer. In this case you have to check the conditions. For example, if your condition is true, then the answer is good. If the condition is false, then the answer is something else. For example, here you can see is equal to if B3, whatever written in B3 is greater than equal to 40, then print good, otherwise bad. Okay, so now move back to the Excel sheet and see how we can apply this formula over there. Okay, so here I am writing down, let's say 90. Okay, so I want to apply the formula here. So what I will do, simply press is equal to sign from your keyboard, go there, select if function. Okay, so here you can see here what we are going to do. We are going to give the parameter. For example, if A1 is equal to 90, so here what we have to print out? Excellent. Okay, if A1 is equal to 90, then print excellent, otherwise print poor, right? So it will check the condition that what I have written over here. If it is equal to 90, then it will print excellent, otherwise it will print 0, poor. Okay, press OK, and here I got the result excellent because my value is equal to 90. I show you another example. For example, I have write 20 and I have to apply if formula over here. Simply click on here and give the value. If A2 is greater than equal to 20, then print poor, otherwise print good. Okay, so it will check that whatever I have written here is greater than equal to 20 or it is something else. If it is greater than equal to 20, it will display the result poor, otherwise it will display good. So please click on OK and then you get the result OK. You make the changes in the formula bar as well. Okay, for example, if you want to check the result of 90 and then you will, okay, here write down, let's say 3. Okay, but in the cell range of A3 I have written not anything, any value. I have not given any kind of value in A3. Press OK and then you get the null result. Okay, so you can make the changes in the formula bar as well. So this is how we can apply if function, maximum function, minimum function and count function in the Excel. So please try to practice it again on your Excel sheet and try to learn the concept. And if you like my video, then please don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.